Hello students, I'm Shalini Srivastava, geography teacher. Today I'm going to tell you some tips and tricks to solve this geography paper. As you know that class 12 geography exam is on 18th May. So before that, I want you to explain you how to solve the paper. Now, this will be divided into three parts. That is, first I'm going to explain you pre-exam preparation. Secondly, how to study. And third, during exam, what to do. So let us begin, students. Here, this is class 12 geography and the subject code is 029. Now, the geography exam tips and tricks to solve the paper. The exam date is 18th May. The paper is of 35 marks and it is for 2 hours. The total chapters in the exam is 7. 3 is from book number 1, that is Fundamentals of Human Geography, and 4 chapters are from book number 2, that is Human Geography. So now the paper will be divided into 5 sections, A, B, C, D, and E. Section A, there are 3 questions, 1, 2, and 3, which is of 2 marks each. So it comes to 2 into 3, 6 marks. Section B, there are 4 questions, 1 question that is source-based, and subdivision in that question is 1 into 3. So it comes to 3 marks. Section C, there are 3 questions, which is of 3 marks, question number 5 and 6. So it comes to 6 marks. Section D, which is long answer type question, 7, 8, and 9. And each question carry 5 marks. So it comes to 15 now. Now section E is question number 10, which is of 5 marks. That is a map-based question. So each location has to be done. Each carry 1 marks. Now let us come to before exam preparation. What you'll do before exam. All are nervous as geography is not such easy subject, but we have to get very good marks with a little hard work. So let me tell you what you can do before exam. Believe on NCERT book, but prefer notes. Almost all teachers are providing you notes. So go for that, read it, because we don't have that much time now that you are going to read whole chapter. So notes, whichever is provided by the teacher or from any site you have taken. So have faith on that. Secondly, try to go for 5 marks questions topic wise, which cover 1 marks questions also. So when you are preparing 5 marks question, definitely you are preparing 1 marks, 2 marks, and 3 marks questions also. Map practice is must, especially India, because term 2 India map is only coming. So, but do it at last. Don't stress more on maps. That can be done at last. Because when you are going to read it at last moment, so you are going to memorize it properly. Fourth, what you have to do is don't waste too much of time on map practice. As I said, solve sample papers, whichever is available, go for it. Last 10 years, solve it. Look at the answer, how the students are giving the answers. And also go for the students' answer papers, those who have done previous years. So go for that also. You'll come to know how to write the answers. If reading from NCERT book, read topic wise. It will make sure all the answers to be read, all the answers to be covered, each and every question, because it is coming from NCRT only. So go for it. You'll definitely get very good marks and confidence. Next, what you can do is write and practice. Writing practice should be there because ultimately, whatever you're writing, for that only you are getting marks. So, do writing practice. Now, how to study? That is the second thing what we have to do, how to study. NCRT fast revision. You have to go for fast revision. Now, don't waste time in reading things and books and all. Now you have to go for fast revision. Keep tricks and ideas to remind the things. If you have made any of the tricks, so go for that. Secondly, prepare chapter-wise questions, like chapter number 6, that is secondary activities. So read that chapter first and go for the questions. Write it in your own language first, and then look at the bookish language. Go for bookish language. Solve 10 years sample papers. Next, self-made notes and questions are very important because whatever you read, you write it that only. So self-made notes are important, though teachers have provided. Read those and then prepare your own notes. Even when you are reading the paragraph, you should go for the questions. Write the answers in your own language. Learn to frame answers. You should learn how to write down the answers. It should be written in points. Elaborate how to do it. That all you should learn. Okay? Now, what you have to do during exam time. Now, your exam it's 18th of May and you are entering the examination room. So what many things come in our mind. What to do? So at that time, be calm. First of all, you should be calm. When the answer sheet is given, provided to you, at the same time, you should go all the details and draw margin on both the sides. One side, the margin is already drawn. Another side also, you should draw the margin. It looks like that your paper is very neat and tidy. Secondly, utilize reading time properly. Reading time must utilized properly because during that time only when you are going through the question paper, the automatically you'll have the answers in your mind that yes, we have read it and definitely you'll get. Try to start writing answers from section D, that is 5 marks question, because ultimately whatever you're writing is, if you are writing in good quantity or good quality, so you'll get 5 marks, 4 marks, 3 marks like that. But if you start your paper from 1 marks question, 2 marks question, then you'll get only 2 marks. Okay, so I must tell you that you should go for section D first. Quality and quantity of answer should be good because both matters. Always write answers in points. Answers to be written in points. Leave 2 lines between 2 answers and then draw a line between it. When you are going for revision, that time revising the paper, that time you draw line between 2 answers. Always write correct question number. That is very important. Suppose it is question number 8, question number 9. So you are going to write question number. Okay, that should be very correct. Always write correct question number. Underline important words and sentence in each answers. Very important. You should write, underline the important words, whatever you feel like that. Suppose the question is, if they are asking that, which is the mineral which can split into sheets. So the answer is mica. So write down mica in bold letters and then explain the answer. If the question is divided into 2 or 3 sections, then write Roman number 1, part 1 answer, then Roman number 2, part 2 answer, Roman number 3, part 3 answer. That way you have to do. Keep time management, very important. Always keep time management, otherwise you'll be not able to complete the question paper. Revise the paper and add value points if left. Now, another important thing, try to draw small maps of Bharat in which locate places. It makes your paper attractive and clear. So, dear students, these were the tips. Thank you so much and all the best for your exam.